Welcome to today's discussion, where we dive deep into a topic that often sparks debates in the world of business and beyond: management versus leadership. What sets them apart, and how do they intertwine to drive success? Let's find out. Management, the art of efficiently organizing resources and tasks to achieve specific goals. It's about processes, systems, and control. Managers are the orchestrators, ensuring everything runs smoothly and according to plan. On the other hand, we have leadership, a powerful force that inspires, motivates, and guides individuals towards a shared vision. Leaders ignite passion, foster innovation, and cultivate a sense of purpose. While these roles might seem distinct, the lines can blur, and here's where it gets interesting. Effective managers often possess leadership qualities. They inspire their teams by leading by example, communicating a clear direction, and understanding their employees' strengths and weaknesses. Effective leaders also manage, ensuring that their inspiring visions are translated into actionable plans. They understand the need for structure and make informed decisions to propel their vision forward. But let's delve deeper into their distinctions. Management is about doing things right. It emphasizes efficiency, adherence to processes, and achieving specific objectives. Managers focus on tasks, deadlines, and allocating resources effectively. On the flip side, leadership is about doing the right things. It revolves around inspiring a sense of purpose, empowering others, and guiding the collective towards a shared goal. Leaders focus on people, relationships, and aligning values. Managers are often found in traditional hierarchical structures. They maintain stability, solve day-to-day challenges, and ensure the organization's gears keep turning. Leaders, on the other hand, can emerge from any level of the organization. They challenge the status quo, encourage innovation, and create an environment where creativity thrives. But here's the kicker. The most successful organizations strike a balance between management and leadership. In the dynamic landscape of modern organizations, the interplay of management and leadership is not just desirable, but essential for sustained success. Both roles bring distinct yet complementary strengths to the table, fostering a balanced and adaptive approach to challenges and opportunities. Management provides the foundation for stability and efficiency. It is the backbone that ensures tasks are executed, processes are streamlined, and resources are optimally utilized. Managers excel at setting clear goals, creating structured workflows, and monitoring progress. They bring order to chaos, making sure that projects stay on track and deadlines are met. Without effective management, even the most innovative ideas can fall short due to lack of execution. Leadership, on the other hand, sparks inspiration and fosters innovation. Leaders are visionaries who can guide teams toward a shared purpose. They ignite passion, encourage creativity, and empower individuals to think outside the box. A strong leader can create a culture of ownership where every team member feels invested in the organization's success. Leadership shines in times of change and uncertainty, offering guidance and motivation to navigate uncharted waters. Organizations need management to ensure the wheels keep turning smoothly, and they need leadership to drive those wheels forward in the right direction. In essence, the marriage of management and leadership is the secret sauce of success. Both roles provide the structure and direction necessary for growth. They create a harmonious yin and yang that fosters a cohesive organizational culture and propels it forward. In a rapidly evolving world, organizations that recognize the value of both management and leadership will find themselves not only surviving, but thriving, ready to tackle whatever the future holds. So whether you're a manager, a leader, or aspiring to be both, remember, it's not about choosing one over the other, it's about embracing the synergy they offer. Together they propel organizations forward, creating a harmonious blend of structure and inspiration, process and passion. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the realms of management and leadership. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep managing, keep leading, and keep driving success. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.